Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and for today's analysis, as you can see, we are in the 25th of August. For today's analysis, I would like to take a look at the Australian dollar and US dollar. As from my point of view, the inability of price to stay above 94 and consistently failing in that area is nothing but a bad sign on the pair, and normally we should see more acceleration to the downside. Let's write here that this is fairbinaryoptions.com and take a look a bit at the time frame that we are making our analysis on. I'm talking about, of course, the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart here, since April, and now we are at the end of August, since April the market basically is trading into the 0.94, let's say 0.9450 were the spikes, so into the 0.94 and 0.92. This would be the highs and the lows, well, with a small break above 0.95, but the inability of price to stay above the all important, again, 0.94 level here makes this only being a bearish scenario, and makes this only being or favoring the downside. First of all, if you look at this contracting triangle here, I would say it is a contracting triangle that will act as a continuation pattern. It means that the trend or the move prior to the contracting triangle here is going to continue into the same direction. Well, the previous direction was to the downside triangle, and then another move lower now should start. And then if you look at the whole move from a triangle perspective from this moment of time like this, then you may actually get the picture that by the moment price is breaking this trend line here, so this trend line here, then that would be the beginning of the end, if you want, for the Australian dollar US dollar bulls, as the market is or should retrace all the way towards this 0.8650. Now the focus is on the European economy, with Draghi speaking all about this negativity about the euro and low levels of inflation, but the same is happening in Australia. Moreover, we have 12 years high unemployment rate, and I am sure that the Reserve Bank of Australia will not hesitate to cut interest rates again by the time this let's say the market will suffer. Well, in conclusion, for the more aggressive traders like I am here, I would like to buy put options on this being A, B, C, D, E, and now looking for 92.50 and then even lower values to come. If I were to trade with market geometry perspective, then I would say that this move here, so this move here should be mirrored in here and still would mean 0.91 to the downside. If you go on the euro and Australian dollar pair, the pair has suffered a lot lately, but a move here low on the Australian dollar US dollar means that the euro and Australian dollar will have the chance to consolidate a bit, and therefore maybe the euro dollar will start to be supported as well based on this simple correlation. So let's write here on the screen that this pattern within a pattern, I'm talking about two triangles here, are looking, these patterns are looking bearish, and the outcome here should be to the downside. So looking or not looking, buying put options with end of week expiration date for the Australian dollar and the US dollar, and of course we're looking for the whole move to start right here, right now, with these values around 0.93 level. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we just bought put options on the Australian dollar and the US dollar on the prerogative that this triangle is going to break to the downside now. Thank you, and bye bye.